BSK Notus, new generation residential heat recovery device, is made out of lightweight EPP body and is only 18 kilograms. The unit has 2 EC fans equipped with silencers, a bypass damper, 2 temperature and humidity sensors, and a high-efficiency heat exchanger with enthalpy option. Notus can supply up to 375 cubic meters per hour of air with a maximum electrical power of only 150 watts. Thanks to its removable air connections, the air outlets can be positioned to the bottom of the device and allow it to work in top-in, bottom-out configuration. Left and right-hand configurations can be easily made within the unit's settings to allow easy installation. Notus is also designed to work horizontally. It will allow installers with additional 4 configurations for a total of 8 different air connections in a single unit. BSK Notus have multiple programmable boost modes, as well as humidity monitoring. It can work automatically with a weekly schedule, and the units can be upgraded with additional expansion modules down the line to suit different needs. 4-inch touch panel gives users a responsive interface to control and monitor Notus units, or they can connect it to the Wi-Fi and control their units with their mobile devices using the BSK Connect mobile app from anywhere. For building managers who may want to control, monitor, and service multiple Notus units from a central hub, BSK Cloud Panel is a web application developed for this purpose.